Try to subscribe our channel for new videos. World Nature Conservation. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on July 28th of every year. This day helps to create awareness about protecting and conserving natural resources. Our natural resources are used faster than their formation. We should protect our natural resource, otherwise, this will end once. We cannot imagine the world without air, food, and water. Nowadays, many countries have working for conserve nature. It is essential for people to understand the current situation of our world. Nature conservation is the act of protecting Earth's natural resources for current and future generations. Conservation of nature means the preservation of forests, land, water, minerals, fuels, and natural gases. Industrial development and several other factors are the main reason for depletion of nature. Due to global warming, temperature is increasing day by day. We are connected to each other with natural resources. Nature gives water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food. So we must protect our nature clean and healthy. Let us make a conscious effort to conserve nature around the world in this World Nature Conservation Day. Nature does not need people, but people need nature for living. Overpopulation, pollution, burning fossil fuels, and deforestation are the factors affect the beauty of our mother. Nature is a gift of God and must be respect and protect. It is one of the great blessings for human life. Nature includes living and non-living components that together make life on earth possible. Don't disturb the natural cycle. Let them run as usual. Otherwise, the ecological balance will break. Once it will break, take a long time to retain it. Loss of biodiversity affects all species of living things disappear due to deforestation. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. These are the great words by Mahatma Gandhi. Earth provides all for man, but man is not satisfied. mining of natural resources like coal, hunting animals, fishing, and cutting woods. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are the three R used to protect our nature. Educate the current nature situation to people. Conserve water, conserve electricity, plant trees are the simple methods to protect our nature. I only feel angry when I see waste, when I see people throwing away things we could use. Great words by Mother Teresa. Governments of various countries taking methods to conserve natural resources. People promote environment friendly activities, make a greenish environment for good health. We people obey that rules to protect our mother nature. Save nature, save earth. Nature conservation slogans. Save our mother earth. Save the trees. Save the earth. We are the guardian of nature's birth. Join us in saving nature. Nature is our best friend. Save earth for your future generations. Save nature and nature will save your life and future. Save earth for global warming. Plant trees. Save nature. Save the world. Thanks for watching. Try to subscribe our channel for our latest uploads. Thank you.